Alright, to replace the speaker on the third door, you need to remove the 2 screws for this latch. Then you'll be able to pull this out and up. There is latches on it, so you need to be careful not to break them. Alright, after removing that piece, you have this bolt, these 2 screws, and this little push tab. And then the same way, your tabs will pop out and pull it out and go up. Alright, once you have that taken off, you're able to access the speaker bolts, which are 5.5 millimeters, which is weird. And then you'll be able to remove it, put your new one in after you wire it, and yada yada yada, and then we get to put it back all together. Alright, after putting the new speaker on, the nice and purdy one, you'll take your bottom panel. They have the latches on it. So you want to just pretty much shove it into place. Alright, after putting that back into place and bolting it on and screwing it on, and if you have a replacement tab, you can put that in. Since Ford is stupid, it makes them not reusable. Take your other one and you line up the tabs with the holes, push it in all the way, and then you can screw this back on, and this door is done. Alright, since the other one is done, it's time to replace this one. And I already have half the stuff torn apart because I had to replace my back window, which is in another video. Yeah. Alright, with that panel removed and the seatbelts disconnected, you need to pop the push tabs and unscrew it. And then this pretty much pulls off. And that's all you really need to get all, well, the rest of what you need to get to the speaker.
What about the disc changer?
The disc changer is more process after you move this panel. Okay, well, once you have all that done, you'll notice that it won't come off. That's because you have to pull this. Sorry. You have to pull this off, and then you'll be able to move this. And there might be a screw holding that on, or just a push tab. And then you can remove it. Alright, now that that's removed, you have access to the speaker, which is the 5.5 bolts again. And my original plan was to take the disc changer out and put my subwoofer amp there, but my amp is too big, so this is staying. Or I could take it out and possibly sell it. But it's going to stay.
To some sucker.
So, remove the 4 bolts, redo the wiring, because they have little clips on them for the speakers, and then put your new speaker in and bolt it on. And then we get to deal with putting everything back together. Yay! Alright, with that piece of trim in place, you can start reassembling your pickup, which meaning you can put this piece of trim back on, you can put the seats back on, and then you're done. Done with the speakers. Both speakers, the driver's side, passenger side.